Good morning children. I hope class 8 children are watching this video. Today this is our third video. I hope you must have watched our previous videos. So rational numbers are being continued. Today we are going to learn under rational numbers division of rational numbers, because already we have seen addition, subtraction and multiplication. So today we will see division of rational numbers, properties of division of rational numbers, few solved and unsolved questions we will take of exercise 1E. And I hope before 1E whatever things we have discussed you must have watched properly, and I hope most of the questions you might have done in your copy. If you have not done, again it is my request, again you go through both the videos properly and try to understand all the things and try to solve all the unsolved and solved questions. Either that is solved examples have been given or in exercise questions have been given. You need to try all the questions yourself, and many questions already I have discussed. So today again we will discuss some solved and unsolved questions from exercise 1E. And while discussing these questions itself, many things you may learn. So just focus on your content. Again my suggestion is there, whenever you are watching this video, be with your pen, pencil, book, copy, all the things, so that together you can do all the things, calculate even calculations also, and try to learn together. So procrastination again you are doing, okay, later, now I will see, and later I will do, that again will be difficult. So it is better you be ready with all the things and then you watch video and together you try to do. Okay, so let's start. Here you see division of rational numbers. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that c by d is not equal to 0. It means what? Any rational number in the form of a by b and c by d you are taking, where c by d is not equal to 0, then a by b divided by c by d can be written as a by b into d by c. It means what? A by b into reciprocal of c by d or multiplicative inverse of c by d. It means d by c. When a by b is divided by c by d, obviously, then a by b is called the dividend, c by d is called the divisor, and the result is known as quotient. So just you see, suppose if you are dividing, here what has been written, when a by b is dividend, a by b is dividend, but you are dividing a by b by c by d. So you are dividing by c by d. Obviously a by b will be dividend and c by d will be called divisor, and the result is known as quotient. Obviously some result you will get over here. So this will be your quotient, and here again some remainder also you will get. Okay, so we will see it by some example. You see, here you see, suppose you have any number in place of a by b and c by d. What is happening written? A by b divided by c by d. If you are dividing a by b by c by d, what it can be written as? A by b into inverse of this. It means d by c. Any example you take, suppose 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 4. Suppose. So it can be written as 1 by 2 into 4 by 2. Inverse of 2 by 4 or reciprocal of 2 by 4 I have written 4 by 2. Then what we do in multiplication? Simply numerator we multiply, divided by denominator and denominator we multiply. Or simply if any cancellation is there, if you can cancel that, you cancel or simplify and then you write your answer. So here it can be cancelled. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. So finally you can write 2 by 2, and again 2 by 2 also can be cancelled. So finally you will get answer 1. So what you need to understand is what? If any rational number you have, if you are dividing that rational number with non-zero rational number, then this rational number, how you will simplify? This division will become multiplication, and inverse of this rational number is required to be written. Okay. Next we will see example. By saying example, you see 9 by 16 by 5 by 8 you need to divide. So 9 by 16 divided by 5 by 8. So what it will be? 9 by 16 into multiplicative inverse of 5 by 8 or reciprocal of 5 by 8 will be 8 by 5. Again, simply I will multiply and write, or you can simplify. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So it can be written as 9 by 10. Next you see what you have? Minus 9 by 40 divided by minus 3 by 8. So how it can be written? Minus 9 by 40 into multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 8 can be written as 8 by minus 3. 8 1 is 8, 8 5 is 14. Now you see 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. Minus and minus got cancelled. So what we got finally? 3 1 is 3 and 5 1 is 5. This is your answer. So like this, many other questions are there. I think you will be able to solve. Here you see properties of division. First property we have closure property, already you have seen in addition and multiplication. So in division also it is there. If a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers such that c by d is not equal to 0, then a by b divided by c by d is also a rational number. So as we had done in addition, if any two rational number you are adding, the sum what you will get, that will be rational number. In the same way you had seen in multiplication, if you are multiplying two rational numbers, the product what you will get, that will be a rational number. In the same way, in division also you have, if two rational numbers you have a by b and c by d, where c by d must not be 0. Why? Because if you are dividing, this will be 0, that what product you will get will be meaningless. Suppose any number you have 5 and divided by 0 if you are writing, there is no meaning of this. There is no meaning of this, and that's why reciprocal of 0. Suppose this is also a rational number, but reciprocal of 0 cannot be found out because it will become 5 by 0, so that is meaningless. So no reciprocal is there for 0. Take an example. Suppose we have 2 by 5 a by b and c by d divided by 5 by 10. Then you find out what product you are getting. So 2 by 5 into 10 by 5 it can be written. Now 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So it will be 4 by 5. This rational number what you are getting, this is also a rational number. So what property it says closure property. If two rational number you have, the number which is being divided by the number that must not be 0, and if you are dividing, what product you will get, what result you will get, that will be also a rational number. Next you see, for every rational number a by b, we have a by b divided by 1 is equal to a by b. This already you have seen in multiplication also. If any rational number you have, suppose 5 by 9, and you are dividing by 1. So any number, either that is being multiplied by that number or that is being divided by that number will not change. Value of that number will not change. That will be remain same. So that will be 5 by 9. So easy it is. Property 3. For every non-zero rational number a by b, we have a by b divided by a by b is equal to 1. So the number is being divided by itself. The rational number which is being divided by itself, then result will come 1. Any number you take, suppose minus 4 by 9, that is being divided by minus 4 by 9. How you will simplify? Minus 4 by 9 into 9 by minus 4. So it will be cancelled altogether and you will get 1. Here you see, now we have some questions from exercise 1. So easy it was. Now how to simplify this? 4 by 9 into this division will become multiplication and inverse of this we need to write. So this will be 12 by minus 5. Now if you want to cancel, can be cancelled. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16 and 3 5 ja 15. This will be your answer. If you want to write in mixed fraction, can be written minus 1 upon minus 1 whole 1 upon 15. This will be your answer. Either you write in this way or this. Both are correct. Second question, you have verify whether the given statement is true or false. So 13 by 5 divided by 26 by 10 is equal to 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5. So till you are not simplifying this, you will not come to know. So it is better you simplify properly both sides. So suppose you simplify first LHS. So LHS in left hand side you have 13 by 5 divided by 26 by 10. That will be equal to 13 by 5 into 10 by 26. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So finally you got 1. In RHS what we will get? In RHS you have 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5. So it will be 26 by 10 into 5 by 13. So here you see, again the same thing, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, finally you got answer 1. So this is true or not? So this what expression has been given, that is true. The answer will be, this is true. Okay. Next you see, verify whether the given statement is true or false. Again, so what we need to do over here, in bracket what things are there that is required to be simplified first, then remaining portion. So again the same thing you do, LHS is equal to 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 and divided by 5 by 2. So it will be 5 by 9 into 3 by 1 and into 2 by 5. So it can be written as 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So 5 by 3 into 2 by 5 and that will be equal to 5 and 5 again will get cancelled, you will get 2 by 3. Right side you see what you have, RHS, you see 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. So it can be written as 5 by 9 divided by, this you simplify, 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 and 5 by 9 divided by 2 1 ja 2 and 5 3 ja 15. Can be written as 5 by 9 into 15 by 2. So 3 3 are 9 and 3 5 are 15. It will become 25 by 6. So just you see, this is 2 by 3 and this is 25 by 6. So obviously this statement is not true. So answer can be written as this statement is false. This will be your answer. Okay. Next you have the product of two rational numbers is minus 9 if one of the number is minus 12, find the other. The product of two rational number is minus 9. So just you suppose, if very easy question would be, very only integer you would be having, a very small numbers you will be having, how will you solve? The product of two numbers it would be having, the product of two numbers is equal to suppose 12. And one number has been given 4. The other number will be what? 3. How will you find out? Just you divide 12 by 4. 4 3 is 12 and you will get the answer. So in the same way you will get over here also. So how we will solve? Just you see. Let the other number be x. The product of two rational number is minus 9 if one of the number is minus 12. It means what? According to question, what you have? X into minus 12 is equal to minus 9. Means the other number what you have assumed, x, and the given number minus 12. Product is what? The product of two rational number. Product is what? Minus 9. So it can be written as x is equal to, this is in multiplication, into minus 12 you have. So if you are changing the side, if you are taking right side, it will go in division. Since it is in multiplication, if you are changing side, that will go in division. So it will become minus 9 by minus 12. Now you simplify. Minus and minus got cancelled. 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. So you got 3 by 4. So answer you will write. Hence, the desired number or required number be 3 by 4. This will be your answer. Next you see, by what rational number should minus 8 by 39 be multiplied to obtain 1 by 26? Again very simple example I am giving you. By what number, suppose not rational number, any number, by what number any other number be multiplied? Suppose by what number 5 is multiplied, so that you will get 15. By what number 5 will be multiplied, so that you will get 15. What you need to do? This 15 is needed to be divided by 5. So you will write x over here, and x will be equal to what? 15 by 5. So if easy number will be there, very easily it can be found out. The same thing is required to be done over here. Only simplification you must know of rational numbers. So here you see how they do. Okay. Let the required number be x. Then by what rational number should this be multiplied? So according to question, x into minus 8 by 39 is equal to 1 by 26. To obtain this means this product you should get. How you simplify? X will be equal to, since this is in multiplication, so 1 by 26 divided by minus 8 by 39 will write. This you simplify. 1 by 26 into 39 by 8. 13 2 ja 26. 13 3 ja 39. So x you got 3 1 ja 3 and 8 2 ja. Answer is, the desired number is, the required number or desired number, required number is 3 by 16, and this will be your answer. Next you see, divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. Divide the sum of, this is bit important, right? So you try to understand. Divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. Again, very simple example I am giving you. If question would be, divide the sum of 2 and suppose 6. Divide the sum of 2 and 6 with their difference. How will you do? The sum, first of all, sum you will find out. So you will get 8. Difference you find out. So you will get 4. And divide this. Divide the sum of this and this by their difference. So 8 divided by 4 you will do, and you will get the answer 2. So in the same way it is required to be done. Here you see how we will do. Here you see how we will solve this question. First we will find out the sum of the numbers. Sum of the given numbers will be 65 by 12 and 8 by 3. So how you will find out sum? Here you see 12 will be LCM, and this will be 65 plus 3 4 get 12, 4 8 get 32. So it will be 7 and 9, 97 by 12. Then you find out difference. Difference of the given numbers. So this will be 65 by 12 minus 8 by 3. So LCM you will have 12. The same number will come, only minus sign it will be having. You subtract this, 5 minus 2 3 and 6 minus 3 3. You will get 33 by 12. Now what you need to do? The sum what you have got, 97 by 12, is required to be divided by their difference, means 33 by 12. So it will be 97 by 12 into 12 by 33. So just to divide. So this 12 and 12 will be cancelled, and finally you will get 97 by 33. This you convert in mixed fraction. What you will get? 33 you divide, 97 you divide by 33. So 2 times it will go, 66 you will get, here you will get 1 and here you will get 3. So 2 whole 31 by 33. This will be your answer. So till here whatever questions have been explained, if you will go through properly, I don't think any question will be remained which you will not be able to solve. It's just you go through all the solved questions and exercise what I have discussed. Properly if you are going through in exercise 1E, each and every question you will be able to solve. So try to solve, and if once you will not be able to solve, try again and again. If you are having some confusion, again you watch video and try to solve. Try yourself, and I hope you will be able to complete the chapter. So next day we will see next chapter. Till then, thank you.